Today we're going to be reviewing how to use Teams and OneNote on a computer. So once you have gone to office.com and you log into your student account, you'll get to a landing page that looks like this. On the left-hand side, we have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, OneNote, SharePoint, and Teams. We're going to be focusing on OneNote, this little N purple book here, and the Teams at T on the bottom. So I'm going to just go ahead and open those in separate tabs so we can look at both. Come on. All right, so when I opened up the Teams, I would have my classes here. In this case, my student is enrolled in Math Concepts, so if I click on that course, I have the general channel, which is where my teacher would make announcements and where I'd see my assignments. And then these other channels, teachers might have one for each unit. They might organize each one differently. So along the top here, we have our files, which will be any course content your teacher uploads. Then we have class notebook, which is going to be the app that I use for notes. So when you open this up, you'll see a welcome page, and then you'll have your own student section that's got your notes and your homework, your handouts, okay? And then we've got the Assignments tab. So the Assignments tab is where we'll find any work that we need to submit. So I've already submitted one assignment, but I'm going to pull it up just so we can see what it looks like. So if we undo our turn-in here, this is an assignment. It's an open-ended problem, and it says just upload your response. This is a link to the assignment. So if I click on that, it opens up the assignment. All right. Once you have it open, you need to put your work in. So I already have the work in this document, but if you did not have it in, you would go to Insert, Picture, and from Camera if you need to take the picture with your laptop, or from File if you've already got it on your computer. So you upload a picture of your work, and once you've done that, you can press Close. It automatically saves, and then you press Turn In. And once you've done that, the ball's in the teacher's court. All right, they're going to be doing everything with that now. So in addition to looking at your posts, files, your class notebook, and your assignments on here, you can also use the OneNote app by itself. So if we look at the OneNote app by itself, it'll show us what your notebooks are. So you can have a personal notebook, but the important ones are your class notebooks. So this is my Math Concepts class. If I click on that, computer just wants to give me a hard time today. All right, I've got my welcome page. And then I'll have my content. So the teacher will have notes in their content library, and then I have my own stuff in class notes and handouts. So this will be where your notes and your practice and your problem sets, all of that stuff lives in OneNote. You can get to it through Teams, to your class notebook, or through the separate OneNote website. Right, so I hope this helped. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on the video or ask them to me.